This is in Ali Drive by the Big Island, Kona, Hawaii. When you are in Kona, you have to visit Ali, and this is the one that in front of St. Michael Church. You will see this place that they have the view of the ocean. So we were looking around for lunch, and here we found the authentic Indian cuisine, Kamana. It's a family owned, and what I liked in this restaurant is they have all the spices. It's a homemade, so we're here to taste. And with the view, it's amazing. Yeah. And when we look for restaurant, we normally search first and for the stars and the prices, of course. So in here, they have the menu, so you will not be surprised what you order. So I normally look for the one that I haven't tasted. So this is an Indian, and we ordered this mixed barbecue, and they have also we ordered this Kona, and these are all the spices that they use. So that's intriguing to me. So they have I showed here. They have the menu that you can choose, and it was a quick. You didn't have to wait that long. So Kamana began as a family dream rooted in tradition, carried by love and brought to life here on the Big Island. So for a decade, Kamana Kitchen has been the home for authentic Indian cuisine, blending timeless recipe with welcoming warmth of Hawaii. They're proud to grow that dream with Kamana Nepali cuisine. It's a heartfelt tribute to the flavors of the Himalayas. So this is more than just food. It's a connection to their roots shared with the community they now call home. So all Kamana locations, every dish is made with fresh island ingredients, bold spices, and the kind of care that only comes from feeding family. So when you're here for the comfort of a classic curry or the joyful spice of Nepali momo, you're always welcome to their table. So we ordered the mixed pakora. It's mixed plate with vegetable pakora, chicken pakora, and paneer pakora. And this is the famous guy that everyone to take picture. So they have also in this building, they have all in one. They have the restaurants, they have the jewelry store, and the view. So if you just want to see around here, there's another restaurant behind. It's called Papa's, I believe. But just the view, just relax and just enjoy. This is where you want to be. They have also the gelato ice cream. So it's an all one place. So if you're tired walking along Ali Drive, then you can have a stop here and just watch the view. So this is across the St. Michael Church. And not just only you see the view in the stores, the restaurant, they have also along the birds that come, friendly birds that come and also join you while dining. this is
So
the
we
recipe
ordered
they
this
have.
mix,
So they will order the mixed pakora,
and then we ordered the biryani,
and then
vegetable
we had the
biryani,
vegetable biryani.
and
So the
then
price is
the
$16.95.
mixed
It's not that bad. And we ordered the mixed grill. The assortment of tandoori chicken, lamb, and shrimp. And these are the desserts. And we ordered this lassi milk. It's really good to drink. It's nice and cozy restaurant. Just sit down along the bay and while waiting for your food, have the breeze from the ocean. This is the lassi. It's mixed with yogurt
Parang milk yan.
and blended with tea. It's really good. It's my first time to taste it. And this is the pangkula.
Appetizer.
That's the festival biryani rice.
Okay.
Pakora, I mean, that's pakora. Sweet lassi, they call it sweet lassi, that drink, and that was $5.95. That's it, we're just having fun. So this is the grill assortment of tandoori chicken, lamb, shrimps, marinated in herbs and spices. And as I said, while enjoying the food, you have also, the bird wanted to sit with you. They want to be seated. So while eating, you're enjoying their company. And this is it.